I welcome you all to this session. This session on preparation of final accounts of banking company. Here we shall discuss one full-fledged problem from the details given. I mean from the trial balance and the other information given after the trial balance. You are required to prepare profit and loss account or statement of profit and loss account and balance sheet of a bank. First, let me go through the problem. From the following information, you are required to prepare a profit and loss account and a balance sheet of Lakshmi Bank Limited according to Banking Companies Regulation Act. Trial balance as on 31st March 2016. See, you know that trial balance consists of three columns, one particulars and debit and credit. 10,000 shares of 100 each, 10 lakh capital in credit. Cash on hand, 3 lakh debit. Statutory reserve fund, 5 lakh credit. Deposit, 15 lakh credit in this sense. Deposit accepted from public. Cash at bank, 5 lakh debit. Asset it is. Loan from Canara Bank, it is debt. Borrowings, 7 lakh. Again liability. Money at call and short notice, asset, 3 lakh. Then pension fund 50,000, it is a liability. Government securities 8 lakh asset. Loan and cash credit, advances asset. Bills discounted asset. Commission 5,000, that is expended. 35,000 credit. Commission received, other income. Interest and discount 7 lakh 15,000 income. Profit on sale of investment 10,000 income, other income. Interest on deposits 1,55,000, that is interest expended. Premises less depreciation, asset after fixed asset after depreciation, like furniture less depreciation, also fixed asset. Director fees, other expense, audit fees, other expense, both are 10,000. Salary allowance, employee provisions 60,000, other expenses. Depreciation on property, also other expense. Printing and stationery, other posting and telegraph, also other expenses. Total of the given balance sheet 45 lakh 10,000. 45 lakh 10,000, both debit and credit side total. Now the adjustments, provide 25,000 for doubtful debts. It is a provision deducted from bill counted and the provisions. Then average due date of bills discounted is 60 days including grace days. Bills have been discounted at 10% per annum, at 10% for an expired period. 60 days has to be calculated. Maybe bills discounted 1 lakh 50,000 on that. That is to provide rebate. You know that it should be deducted from the discount, interest and discount. Then to be shown as a liability. Then a claim of rupees 45,000 for bonus on work, bonus to workmen is pending award. So that is a contingent liability. Make a provision of income tax 30,000 under provisions as well as in profit and loss account. First, go through the statements, I mean schedules for profit and loss account. Then profit and loss account. Later balance sheet schedule and balance sheet. See here, you know that schedule 13 for interest earned income, major income. 14 other income. Then interest expended 15, other expenses 16. These 4 for the preparation of profit loss account. Then schedule 1 capital, 2 reserves and surplus, 3 deposits, 4 borrowings. In this problem we have borrowings too. Other liabilities and provisions 5. 5 first for liabilities. Then assets, assets, cash and balance with the Reserve Bank of India 6th schedule, balance with bank and money at call and short notice 7th schedule, investments 8th schedule, advances 9th schedule, fixed assets 10th schedule, other assets 11th schedule. Contingent liability 12th schedule 45,000, that should not be included in balance sheet, it should be shown as a separate. So now schedule 1 capital, authorized given and no other, so issued, subscribed, called up and paid up same 10 lakh. Then paid schedule 2 reserves and surplus. See, statutory reserve opening 5. Then additions during the year, that is from the current year balance sheet. Before that, it's better to know the balance sheet, sorry, profit and loss account first. Yeah. Schedule 13, interest earned. Interest and discount on advances and bills. 7,15,000 minus rebate. You see, 1,50,000 bills discounted at 10% for 60 days. 60 days in this case 2 months. 2 months by 12. Or you can also calculate like this: 60 divided by 366. So 2,500 rebate should be deducted. Net amount of interest and discount totaling 7,12,500. Schedule 14, other income, commission, exchange, brokerage, commission, credit balance 35, and profit on sale of investment 10,000, only 45,000. Then schedule 15, interest expanded. Together it is given interest on deposits. Unlike other problem on different types of accounts or deposits used to be given, here combined 1,55,000, and the other income commission it is whatever given in the debit. So total under schedule 15 will be 1,60,000. Then other expenses starting with the payment to employees or payment to and provision for employees 60,000, printing and stationery 6,000, depreciation bank property 15,015, director fees, allowances and expense 10,000. These are all straight items given on the debit column of trial balance. Then postage, telegram, telephone 6,000, other expenses 3,000. Total of schedule 16 1,10,000. Go back to the statement of profit loss account or profit loss account. Lakshmi Bank Limited, profit loss for the year ended 31st March 16. So interest earned 7,12,500, in other income 45. Total income 7,57,500. Interest expended 1,60,000. Other outstanding operating expense, other expense, operating expense, yeah, 1,10,000. Then provisions and contingents. Provide for bad debt 25,000 given, plus provision for income tax 30,000. Here amount given, sometimes percentage will be given. If percentage given like previous problem, you have to find the profit, current year profit by consider provision and total income minus total expenditure including other provisions. Then on that percentage of tax must be provided. So it is 25,000, 55, total 55. Total expenditure will be 3,25,000. When you differentiate, that is 7,57,500 minus 3,25,000, 4,32,500 will be profit from previous year nil. So 4,32,500 itself is available for distribution or for the appropriation. In appropriation, transfer to statutory reserve, it is 20% given, 20% of total profit. 4 lakh, that is actually current year profit, but here only one item, 4,32,500, 20% because 86,500, and balance over and above 3,46,000 to be transferred to balance sheet. This is all about profit and loss account. Then statements for profit and loss account, yeah, that's 1/2. Reserves. Reserve opening, it is given in the trial balance credit, add during the year created 20% of net profit. So balance of profit of the last year, current year after tax, it is for 3,46,000. Total 9,32,500 total of schedule 2. Then schedule 3, deposits, demand deposit, current 15 lakh given, no adjustment. Then borrowings from other, that's from Canada Bank 7 lakh. Then fifth one, other liabilities and provisions, pension fund given on the credit column, provision for income tax from the adjustment, then rebate calculated which is deducted from, should be deducted, that 2,500, total 82,500. Then schedule 6 for the asset side, cash and bank balance, cash and balance with the RBI, cash in hand including foreign currency notes 3 lakh. Balance with bank and money at call and short notice, balance with bank 5 lakh, money at call and short notice 3 lakh, total 8 lakh. Then 8th one, investments, government security, investment in government securities 8,000. Schedule 9, advances, bills purchase and discount 1,50,000. Cash credit overdraft and loans repayable on demand 18,30,000 minus 25,000 provision for doubtful debt. So it is 18,05,000. Provision for doubtful debts given in the adjustment. It is there in the adjustment. So 19,55,000 is the total of Schedule 9. Then Schedule 10 fixed asset premises both are given after depreciation. 3 lakh, other fixed assets 6,000, total 3,60,000. Now Schedule 12 contingent liabilities. One claim against bank not accrued debt. There a claim for bonus 45,000. Now the balance sheet. See first capital and liabilities, capital 10 lakh, reserves and surplus 9 lakh 32,500, deposits 15 lakh, borrowing 7 lakh, other liabilities provisions 82,500. 82,500, yes. Total liability total 42 lakh 15,000. Then assets, cash and bank balance with RBI. Schedule 6 3 lakh. These are all from the schedules. Balance with the bank and money at call and short notice 8 lakh. Investments also 8 lakh. Advances 9th schedule 19 lakh 55,000 after adjusting for VAT. Sorry, provisions for doubtful debts. Then fixed assets schedule 10 3 lakh 60,000. Other assets 11, nothing here. Total of the assets also 42 lakh 15,000. Contingent liabilities 45,000. So this is all about this problem. In this is the first problem where you are asked to prepare both profit and loss account and balance sheet. As you know, schedule 1 to 5 liabilities, 6 to 12 assets, 6 to 11 in fact assets, 12th one contingent liabilities. Then schedule 13 income, that is main interest and discounts, main source of income to bank. 14 other income, usually their commission, brokerage, exchanges will come, or investment. If there is loss on sale of investment, that has to be deducted here itself. Then schedule 15 interest expended. Then schedule 16 operating expenses, all other expenses other than interest paid and payable. Then 1 capital, 2 reserves, 3 deposits, 4 borrowings, 5 other current liabilities and provisions. 6 cash and balance with RBI. You see more or less cash in hand or balance with RBI also in the same as cash. Then bank balance and money at call and short notice 7. 8 investment. Then 8 investment, 9 advances, all sorts of overdraft, cash credit, loan, short term, long term, everything. Advance to other banks within country, outside country, to any companies or whoever will come. Then fixed assets held by the banks. Here both assets given after depreciation. Then other assets. Here in this problem no such items, and contingent liability is there. So this is all about the present problem. Yeah. Thank you.